Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of air intake systems. Did you know that your car's air intake system is responsible for bringing in the air that powers your engine? It's a crucial component in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. So, how does it work? Well, the air intake system is made up of a few key components. The air filter is the first line of defense, trapping dirt, dust, and other contaminants before they can reach the engine. The air filter is usually located in the airbox, which helps to maintain a consistent airflow. The air filter is connected to the throttle body, which controls the amount of air entering the engine. The throttle body is connected to the mass airflow sensor, which measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the engine control unit. The engine control unit then adjusts the fuel injection to maintain the correct air-fuel ratio, ensuring that your car runs smoothly and efficiently. That's a brief overview of how your car's air intake system works. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Until next time, happy driving!